Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of teaching abroad, whether it's sharing your skills in the classroom, exploring new cultures, or building a career that takes you around the world, then this video is for you. Because right now, countries across the globe, from New Zealand to the United States, across Asia, and even in the Middle East, are actively recruiting international teachers. Yes, you heard that right. There's a growing demand for qualified teachers, not just in English, but in maths, science, early childhood education, and special needs. And what's even more exciting is that many of these countries offer visa sponsorship, relocation support, and competitive salaries. In New Zealand, for example, schools are inviting overseas trained teachers to fill urgent shortages. In Asian countries like Japan, South Korea, China, and Vietnam, teaching English remains one of the most rewarding and high demand opportunities, often with free housing, flight allowances, and cultural exchange programs. And over in the Middle East, places like the UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar are offering tax-free salaries, modern facilities, and career growth for international educators. Even in America and Canada, certain states are opening doors for teachers from abroad to fill gaps in public schools, especially in STEM and special education. So whether you're a certified teacher, a graduate with a passion for education, or someone who loves working with children and wants a fresh start in a new country, this is your time. The world needs teachers and your skills are in demand, believe me. This could be your ticket to live, work, and thrive abroad while making a real impact. So stay tuned with me till the end of this video because I'm going to show you the top countries currently hiring teachers, what qualifications you need, and how to apply even if you don't have prior international experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update about global job opportunities and relocation tips. Let's get started. If you're interested in teaching in New Zealand, Hong Kong, Canada, any part of the world at all, this particular website will give you what you're looking for. You're going to see live jobs from this website. So wherever you want to teach, any part of the world, then you can check out this website. So you can see here top English jobs right now. Feel free to view jobs in New Zealand by searching here. You search by country. Search by country to filter jobs. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to generalize it, alright? View all jobs. These are online jobs, jobs that are currently online that you can apply to right now. So let's view this one. So this one is online, one-to-one math tutor. US market. The salary is between $50 per hour to $5,000 per month, and the start date is October 2025. You can go ahead and apply. Let's look at the job description. We'll look at the school, and it's going to take place online. It's also eligible for US visa. Right, it is eligible for US visa. So this is it. It's a contract, so you need to go for those with permanent, but you can start with contract as well. If it is online, you can start with contract because you're going to get paid really well, so you can save up money to pursue your dream country or wherever you want to go to. So this one is contract, and they're looking for 2 people. The student level is elementary, middle school, high school, and university. Eligible candidates, you need to be licensed. You need to be a licensed teacher. The school requirement is bachelor, minimum teaching experience 1 year. Required certificate is teaching credentials / license. Work visa eligibility, United States. Additional school requirement, we will accept college university teaching experience in place of teaching credential. So if you don't have teaching credential, they can accept your college or university teaching experience. If you have done an internship in a school, they will accept that. Bonuses paid for maintaining commitment, detailed provided during application process. Tutor mentorship program is standard, and job description is my math expert is one-to-one online math tutoring, and you can set your own availability and work from the comfort of your own home. You will teach math to students in grades 1 college, they prioritize relationships. You will see your students every week and we build lasting relationships with them. We are looking for people that are natural teachers who can connect with people. We go above and beyond because we have hearts of service and truly want to make a difference in the lives of the people we touch. Enthusiastic workers who can support their team, people who truly love to teach. We get to teach students in a one-on-one format, subject matters experts who love math. To apply, you're going to click this apply button and they will follow up with a link. They'll follow you up with a link to complete the Canvas application course. It takes about 15 to 30 minutes. If there is a good fit, then you can go for it. So you click on apply button, fill this form with your full name, create a password, and where in the world would you like to teach? So select where you'd like to teach. Would you like to teach online, remote? Would you like to teach in Africa, Asia, Central America, Caribbean, or Europe? So you can select you want to teach in Middle East, North America, Oceania. Oceania is Australia and New Zealand. So you select where you want to teach and sign up. Then they will send you the form later. So I'm going back to the first page to show you more jobs. This one is Global International School Online Job Fair. I would advise you join this online. Let me tell you what it's about. It's a Global International School Online Job Fair. It's going to take place on December 7th, 2025. It's going to be an online event. Number of vacancies is 100. Student level, all levels. So any level you teach, you can join. Eligible candidates, just licensed teachers. School requirement, you need to have at least bachelor's degree and have 1 year of teaching experience and you have your license. Then job description, a member of our online job fairs team will review your application and send you the application form if you meet the requirement. Should you meet the minimum requirements for the roles available, you will receive an invitation to attend the fair. Job benefits, competitive salary, furnished accommodation or housing allowance, return airfare, health insurance, education allowance for dependents, shipping allowance, vacation, visa support, contract completion bonus. Schools will attend from Asia, LATAM, the Middle East, etc., all looking for qualified K-12 teachers to join their school. Job description. Are you an enthusiastic, open-minded teacher looking for a new adventure abroad? Teachaway is hosting international teacher online job fairs taking place throughout the academic year. The online job fairs give educators the unique opportunity to interview with multiple reputable international school heads and be considered for some of the most sought-after teaching jobs in exciting locations around the world. International schools will be ready to set up job interviews with qualified candidates, which means you have a great chance of receiving job offers and securing your dream teaching job abroad soon after. Our next online international job fair is scheduled to be held on Sunday, December 7th, 2025. The online job fair will run for 3 hours where you can speak to as many schools as you like to find out about their current vacancies. Click on the apply button, it will bring you to this page, then you fill in your details as well and apply. This is the best time to reach out to different schools. So you're going to sign up for this job fair. You have the opportunity to talk to school owners, principals, talk to them about your dream of moving to that country to teach their students. So it's a great way to meet with employers. So if you're looking for a job abroad, you're looking to relocate, join this job fair so that you will meet with employers and see if you can secure a job for yourself, because most of the jobs that they advertise on this platform offer visa sponsorship, relocation support, and more. So you need to be a part of this online fair. This particular website is your go-to website if you're looking for a teaching job abroad. If you're looking for a teaching job that can secure you a visa to relocate with your family to any part of the world, so you need to check out this particular website. You can come here, enter the country you want to go to. Let's check it out. Select your position. So they're looking for certified teachers, college and university teachers, ESL teaching, principal and early childhood, principal and admin, school support and librarian. So you can choose certified teacher and search for job in New Zealand, particularly, right? This one is homeroom teacher, Mobola. You can see there's also jobs in South Africa. There are jobs in Canada. So any part of the world you want to. I cannot overemphasize on what you can gain from this website. There you have it, teachers. If you're interested, the name will be on this video. Check it out on the screen. Type it in Google, find it, apply for jobs, join the job fair to meet with employers that will help you to relocate abroad. Please stop listening to rumors. You hear rumors that this country is doing this or not doing that, but you have not actually seen it on the official website. Stop listening to rumors. Sit up and apply for jobs. So as I've shared this one with you, go ahead and start doing your, and that will be it from my end. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to share this video with someone, even if you're not a teacher, as many of you are looking for care jobs. You can share this video with your friends and family. Your wife can also go. If your wife is a teacher, she can go and then she can bring you along with your children, right? So you need to share this video with someone. As you're watching, you're sharing. Like it and drop me a comment. If today is your first time, drop in the comment first time and we will welcome you into the family. Thanks so much everyone for watching. I will see you in the next one.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.